Change music length of Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and as you're logged into your account, simply tap on your story option at the top left corner of the screen. Now you can click a random picture over here, or you can also get a picture from your gallery or your video. So after clicking a picture or adding on your media, what you can simply do is tap on the music section at the top right corner of the screen. So I'm going to select a very random song over here. So let me add it. And here above the music, you can see this timeline. So simply select on this, and here you can select the clip duration from 5 seconds to you can have up to 15 seconds for now. So what you can do is simply select the duration or the music length. I'm going to set it to 5 seconds and tap on done. And then tap on done again, and you can add it to your story, and that's how you can change music length of Instagram story. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.